you want to learn Blender? Do you want to learn how to make wearables for Decentraland? So basically there's a few things you need to know. Some keys. You have your A key that selects everything in the thing, all, and then you have your S key, and what that is going to do is basically size. So you hold S and you move your mouse around, and it's going to make things bigger or smaller, right? And then your rotate key, R, and that is going to help you rotate things. And then G, grab. Grab allows you to grab either your whole face, edge, or little vertex thing. Hey, my coffee maker's on there. Yeah, so I'll show you more in a second. I got you. Yo. Okay. I know I need to get my nails done. Shut up. So we're just gonna use this little test cube right now, right? So usually people will grab this little guy and spin around to view things, you know, no more. If you have a mouse wheel, push the mouse wheel down and you will be able to rotate the exact same way. Same concept. Usually people will come over here, grab this little over here to move around. Brandon says no more. Quick. Hold your shift. Hold shift. Same thing. Hold shift in the middle mouse. You can move around the whole scene. Wow. Boom, 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 boom. Look at this. Look how fast I'm moving. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, if you want to learn some more, maybe some other tips, maybe this help you out, consider leaving a like, sub. Love you. Really helps me out. I'm trying to do this for a living. So thanks. Appreciate it. Let me know if you want some more. Bye.